Hi, this is Alan Smith, and we're at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, looking at the construction of the Cheetah Hunt roller coaster. It is February the 12th, 2011, and behind me is the construction site. As you can see, there's only a small section left of the missing link to finishing off the Cheetah Hunt. I would say this could be done by March, but it doesn't mean we're going to be riding it until probably the end of May. Just a small section of missing link left. As you can see, it looks like the Cheetah Hunt roller coaster might just barely go over that sky ride cable. It almost looks like it's going to hit it.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Nairobi.
Waiting for the choo-choo train, Teresa. We're sitting at the Nairobi train station waiting to go through and check out the rest of the roller coaster.
In approximately 5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Wow.
That's just an estimate.
He's specific.
Yeah, he wishes.
Bigger train whistles in the distance?
And Russell, everybody say goodbye, guys. You guys can do way better than that. Say goodbye, guys. They were your wonderful station masters here at Nairobi. On both sides of the train as we depart is our new roller coaster, Cheetah Hunt, which is due to open spring of this year. It'll be our first launch roller coaster, featuring 3 launching points, and it excels from 0 to 60 miles per hour within mere seconds. It will also be the longest roller coaster here at Busch Gardens, extending 4,400 feet, and it's due to last 3.5 minutes. Coming up on your left-hand side, you can see the edge of Africa. Here you can get up close to our pride of African lions. You can also view in a 225,000-gallon observation tank some of our hippos. Also, coming up to your right-hand side, you can catch a quick glimpse of some of our Asian elephants. They have a gestation period of nearly 2 years, which means they can be pregnant up to 22 months.
Fazendo pose aqui, ó. A foto aqui, tira aqui, vida. Tira a foto aqui, ó.
He's posing. He says, I'm making my kid. You hear that kid? He saw him from there.
Wow.